Meet the xTool M1 Ultra, your go-to DIY bestie. A world-first multifunctional craft machine that opens up endless creativity. Want to infuse your cup with your personal touch? Choose your pattern and click the Process button. With the gentle hum of the blade, it makes your creative ideas happen. With each touch of the laser beam, you breathe life into your everyday items, reflecting captivating light. Let's draw, adding a touch of magic. Print and laser cut it at once, completing your multitasks in one go. Click, stick, with a snap of your fingers, adding a touch of joy in an instant. It's capable of everything. Infusing your everyday items with your unique characteristics, even more. From acrylic and paper to vinyl, felt, even leather, fabric, wood, and metal, every material joins the vibrant creative show. The diverse palette unexpectedly brightens your life. Need some pattern ideas? Let AI work for you. Explore your curiosity and pop. We dive into the realm your heart desires. Shaping a cute and practical idea into reality. Bring some differences to familiar processes. Snap, preview, and precisely adjust the app. Engraving enthusiasm into an ordinary day. Here are over 5,000 ready-to-go projects. Just pick the one for you and click. A small gift can make each day special and memorable. Creating one-of-a-kind pieces, weaving tales of joy, dreams, and achievability with each intricate design, and sculpting a future filled with possibilities. Being a creator, sharing joy, and embracing love. You hold the power to heal yourself, to express love, and explore life. xTool M1 Ultra. Create the world you dream, live the life you desire.